Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this ribbon text effect in Canva. So in here, I've already opened my Canva in website, and here you can start by writing the text. You can use any background, any font, any color that you want. I'm using this as the text, and after that, next, you can go to elements and find curvy line as the ribbon. Okay, so go with graphics and find the curvy line that you want to use. So in here, I'm going to use one of this. Let's say I'm going to use this ones right here. Now you can just adjust the size. After you adjust the size, you can change the color if you want to. I'm going to change it into white. And after that, here, right click and go to layer and click on send to back. So the ribbon will be at the backs right here. Okay, so I forgot to tell you that you need to add tags on different characters like this, as so you need to add it one by one, letter by letter like this. And now you can just adjust which letter is on the back or add from. So I'm going to make this the first and third letter in the back, so I'm going to click send to back, and also the third letter like this. And after this, you just need to write tags again in this ribbon or the curvy line. So I'm going to just write like this, and here you can just put it on the line or ribbon in here and add some curvy effects. So click on effects and find the shape curve and adjust the curve so that it fits with the line. Okay, like this, and you need to copy and paste this text until the end of the line. So you need to add the text like this until the end of the curvy line, and this is optional, but if you want to, you can add shadow into the curve. So I'm going to just show you one of the example. Okay, for example, let's add this black shadow in here. You can also spin it if you want to. Here you can put it at the back like this. Let's put. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.